traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I mean, for me, it still looks like eventually it needs to go up and hit these highs that I've been talking about. But with this big impulsive move down, it probably is more likely that it's going to end up making some sort of a downtrend. It's either going to make a higher low or possibly a lower high before it actually does turn back up. Either way, the trend has definitely turned to the downside for now. Going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly we definitely have a break to the downside, telling me that this whole move from here to here is complete. Now I'm definitely watching my Fibonacci levels for areas of resistance, but as of right now the trend is down, and I mean there's always a chance that it does continue down. We definitely need to continue to trade with the trend of these higher time frame moves. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this whole move down is very likely either a wave A or a wave 1. I still don't see any evidence that this wave A or wave 1 is over yet. We don't really have a break of structure or anything like that yet telling us that this downtrend is over. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So to me, it does look like a complete trend. I mean, it totally looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you would expect it to go up and take out structure. But unfortunately, I've seen perfect 5 wave trends. You would expect to be over, and then they just continue the downtrend. So just because you see 5 waves does not mean that the trend is over. What's going to tell me the trend is over is seeing the high of wave 4 take it out. Once I see that, then I'll know that the wave A or 1 is over, and I'll know that we're either in a wave B or a wave 2. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, now, this to me definitely looks impulsive up. It looks like it should be a wave A or possibly a wave 1. This move down also looks like a trend too, so we're going to have to see what it turns into, but you would expect it to be a wave B or a wave 2. You would kind of expect it to possibly bounce from maybe to 78%, make a move to the upside for either a wave C or a wave 3. If it goes up and takes out the high of wave 4, then it's definitely a wave 3, and I think that that would prove that the A or 1 on the daily time frame to the downside is over. On the other hand, if it goes up to a Fibonacci retracement level of this last push down, like the 78 or the percent or one of those levels like that, makes an impulsive turn to the downside, that definitely would continue to go short at the end of every single 3 wave pullback I see, at least until I get that break of structure of the wave 4 telling me that the wave A or wave 1 on the higher time frames is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.